guys, see me again in my next video. I think in this time I'll show you how to express past regrets. I think this time I will not use the slides. I'll just explain to you. Maybe you could use the phrases like I wish, or I could, or I really regret, and you can use the three of that phrases and do it in your daily life. And also how to reply it on sympathy way, and just look up forward, look up behind to my past video about expressing sympathy, and you'll get the explanation completely. So enjoy the video. I think that's all. Sorry if video is too short, but and sorry if there's so many mistake. And thank you for watching.